yeah, I'm heading north to the Tarkine with all my tree camping gear for my annual tree camping up in the Tarkine at the beautiful public lands of the sumac forest. And we've camped there for the last 3 or 4 years. Beautiful place. This might be my last time to get to camp in those beautiful trees. But let's see what happens here. Just doing my final pack. Let's see, what do I got here? I got all my climbing gear in here. Spare rope, full rope, water bottles and pee bottle, extra batteries, headlamp, little throw bag, bivy bag, full warm sleeping bag, my hanging tree sit. That's my food. And then my waterproof A5 towel bag. Extra warm clothes, and that's all extra warm clothes too. And first, my body bag with photography knife, extra headlamp.
De ses cheveux vaporeux, elle s'est fait un cadre flou, d'où son visage se détache de loin en loin mystérieux.